Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my detailed exfoliation routine that helps me deal with tan, pigmentation and skin texture. Before I start talking about the routine, I quickly wanted to tell you that I've shot this video in a new manner and I would love your feedback on how it looks. Tell me in the comments if you see any difference in the quality or anything. I am currently experimenting and this would help a lot. Now starting off with my scalp, I will be using the Ordinary's 7% glycolic acid toning solution. Now this is a multi-purpose product and if you're someone with a lot of scalp buildup, then you should try this. You can apply it once in every 15 days, leave it on for 15 minutes max and wash your hair off. It's gonna take care of all the dandruff and clean your scalp beautifully. Now moving on to my nose, for the blackheads, I like to use the Ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution. Now this is a pretty strong product, so I do not like to use it all over my face because I have sensitive skin. I mostly use it on the back of my hands and also on my feet to get rid of stubborn tan. I leave it on my nose for 7 to 8 minutes and on my hands and feet for 10 to 12 minutes and then wash it off. It should not be applied on wet or damp skin. Make sure that your skin is absolutely dry before you apply it. Do not apply it on any cuts or wounds or scratches, and please do a patch test before you put it on. Please do not put this on directly. In fact, all the products I'm using in this video, make sure that you do a patch test for all of them before putting them on your face or your body directly. Once I'm done washing off the peel from my hands and my feet, I'm gonna go in with my shampoo. And this is the one that I'm currently loving. In this peak humid weather, I had to wash my hair every 2 days, but this one has changed it for me. It keeps my scalp fresh for 3 to 4 days easily, and it is also pH balanced, so does not dry my hair out. For the length of my hair, I'm going to be using this conditioner. It is the Acidic Bonding Concentrate, and what a beautiful product. It makes my hair super smooth and soft. I haven't used a mask in weeks, and the credit goes to this. Moving on to my body, this is my absolute favorite exfoliating body wash. It's gentle on the skin and it does the job. I've been using it for almost 2 years now and it never disappoints. It chemically and physically exfoliates your skin. For my underarms, I use the Dove Body Scrub every other day, and once in 15 days, I go in with a swipe of the glycolic acid toning solution. Now moving on to my body, I'll be using Wishcare's AHA BHA lotion. It has 10% AHA and 1% BHA that gently exfoliate your skin further. It also has ceramides that moisturize the skin well while taking care of the skin barrier. I tried it like 2 months ago and instantly fell in love with it because of the beautiful texture. It's creamy and nourishing but very quick absorbing and non-greasy. I'm almost done with this bottle and I've seen a good difference in my skin texture. This is the routine that I follow twice a week and I make sure to follow it up with the body sunscreen. Skipping sunscreen after exfoliation will waste your effort and damage your skin. This one is affordable, hydrating and has ceramides that will help prepare your skin faster. If you're a beginner, then you can give this combo a try. You won't be disappointed. For the back of my hands and my feet, I'll be using this moisturizer because we used a stronger peel. Finally, moving on to my face, I'm starting off with this eye cream from Axis Y. I love the metal tip applicator. It feels very cooling around the eyes. I'm starting off with this step because this part of my face is where I will not be applying the exfoliator. For exfoliating, you can again use the glycolic acid toning solution for your entire face. I love using that as well, but currently I'm using the 10% lactic acid from The Ordinary. It doesn't dry my skin out and suits my skin better. Make sure that your skin is absolutely dry before you put this on. I only take a tiny bit, literally this much. I take it in my hand and apply a very thin layer of it all over my face, avoiding the sides of my nose and also the eye contour. If you've never exfoliated your skin before, you're a complete beginner, then you can start off with exfoliating toners. This one from Cosrx is my absolute favorite, very gentle and beginner friendly. If you have oily skin, then try this one. After letting the lactic acid sit for 10 minutes, I will move on with the Artichoke Intensive Skin Barrier Ampoule from Axis Y. This product works really well for my skin, that is why it's a staple in my routine now. Otherwise, this step is absolutely optional. You can skip this and directly go in with the moisturizer. I'm using the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. It has centella and other soothing ingredients and feels very good on the skin after this. You can go in with any ceramide based moisturizer that's gonna help your skin repair faster. I don't really have a separate exfoliation routine for my lips. I just use a wet towel and wipe them off gently. Then apply a thick layer of lip balm. Today I'm using this Lip Serin. It's thick and very nourishing. I love the feel of it. And that's it for my exfoliation routine. I always make sure to do it in the night time. Avoid sun exposure as much as possible on exfoliation day and don't skip sunscreen the day after. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have any doubts, then ask them in the comment section below. And if you have any tips, then do feel free to share them with all of us. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.